Values of QMessageBox.Yes/QMessageBox.No. I learn piped 5, which looks quite complicated for me, and I am wondering why QMessageBox.Yes or No has some special value. For me it is 16,384. That is what I mean. It prints 16,384. If you click yes, Oregon 65536. If you click no, why not true or false? I understand that I can compare it later to QMessageBox.Yes or QMessageBox.No, but I am wondering where are that magic values from and why they are used?
Because yes and no are not the only options. What if you wanted yes, no, cancel and abort, which all had different meanings for your application? You can't represent those with a single boolean. So instead it is common practice to use an integer. Of course, remembering what each integer means is annoying, so they are stored in nicely named variables so your code stays readable. There is nothing inherently special about the specific values used, other than the fact that they are powers of 2, 2 to the power of 14 and 2 to the power of 16 respectively, which allows they to be combined into a single integer using the bitwise OR operation and then later extracted from the resultant integer using bitwise AND. This is a common way of combining option flags into a single variable, so you don't need to add a new argument to a function/method every time you add an option. Important in languages where optional method arguments can't be done. If you weren't aware, you already use the bitwise OR to combine the flags in the message box constructor.
If we look inside the Qt documentation, we can read the following for the QMessageBox.Question method's return value. Returns the identity of the standard button that was clicked. The identity for every standard button is an integer number, which is also specified by the documentation. QMessageBox:"yes 0 by 0004000, QMessageBox:"no 0 by 0001000. If we convert this hex values to decimals, we get 16,384 and 65,536. Why not true or false? Because there are a lot more options here. There are a lot more standard buttons, X, OK, open, save, cancel, etc. For more information you should read the documentation for Qt. This URL, yes, it's for C++, but it is also applicable for the Python wrapper.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.